Oh, I was unmute. Hello, ma'am. Welcome.
Hi, Gazal.
What
Welcome to
happened?
you
What did
also.
what happened with the what
So
happened with
मुझे बहुत आदत है उछलने कूदने की and enjoying life and enjoying the what you say adventures of life. So this is one batch which I recently got and they are 10 stitches on
Oh
my
my
forehead.
God.
Day before yesterday I got that.
Oh my God. And you're still here?
So how can
Is
I
that
miss talking to beautiful this team and so many people? How can I miss this? So
yeah,
as it is not, it is a setback, not to
yeah,
sit back,
yeah. That's
right?
true. Thank you
So
so much. So I'm already like बहुत inspired हो रही हूँ मैं आपसे. So I'm just gonna give your introduction to other people ताकि और इतना inspiring introduction है. So I'm gonna start with a quote that it is happiness is my destination, happiness be your motto. Pooja Bakchandani, a positive mind trainer, currently the founder and director of Reach Infinity, where she enables individuals and organizations to excel in their journey of growth and transformation. She as an internationally certified life coach by International Association of Professional Coaches, Counselors and Therapists. She is gold medalist in law, thereafter practiced advocacy in Madhya Pradesh High Court for 5 years. A headstrong individual, she has herself walked on thorns and rough roads in life, yet having an unstoppable attitude and believes in converting every challenge into an opportunity. She's an internationally certified NLP trainer by American Board of Neuro-Linguistic Programming. She is certified by International Coaches Federation as Emotional Intelligence Coach. She is also certified by Business NLP Limited, UK in Ericksonian Hypnosis and Leadership Coach. She is one and only international disc trainer of Central India, which is the game changer in corporate world. She is also a pranic healer, works with energy and pran tattva to help you heal and declutter your emotions. With over 200 hours of workshop and counseling experience, she also extends her services in the form of parental, relationship, and marriage counseling. Through Reach Infinity, she has worked with various NGOs and has hosted several events on women's rights and child abuse. She is also a certified rational emotion behavior therapist, and she believes it's the most important thing. She believes that it is not important to see how many times you fall, but the most important is how strongly you rise after each fall. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us and welcome.
Ghazal, you have done so much research. Oh my God.
I
I
had
was like,
to, I had to.
oh my God, thank you so much for such a humble welcome. And thank you to Atman, thank you to Nidan and Satwa and Manathan for such a beautiful platform on this day of the World Mental Health Awareness. And we are here for
Yeah,
each of you to just help and make aware each of you what are the different uh, adventures of life, I would say,
yeah,
because
yeah,
each adventure helps us to grow something somewhat more beyond than what we are.
yeah,
यहाँ
yeah,
से थोड़ा ऊपर उठा देता है.
yeah. So today's topic is mind engineering hacks to win the marathon of life. So, ma'am, I really, I think I'm reading this work for the word for the first time, and I really want to know what do you understand by mind engineering?
Okay, Ghazal, what do you understand by mind engineering? क्या आता है mind में?
I think मतलब मैंने बहुत सोचा and I think googled also तो मैं उस थोड़ा सा I understood that it is about the way you think which will lead you to problem solving solutions. I think that's what I understood. I think you are here to explain us better about it. So yeah.
So thank you so much. You gave me that clue. I was not aware of it. You gave me clue, and now I will start from it. From this, yeah. So let us understand it in a reverse manner. इसको थोड़ा उल्टा करके समझते हैं.
Okay.
Not mind engineering. इसको ऐसे समझते हैं. What is engineering mindset?
Okay.
When we have engineering mindset. So what I have observed, an engineering mindset में एक क्वालिटीज होती हैं, कुछ क्वालिटीज होती हैं. उन क्वालिटीज में सबसे पहली क्वालिटी जो नोटिस की गई है वो है स्ट्रक्चर्ड थिंकिंग. अब अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर्ड थिंकिंग को सोचते हैं तो स्ट्रक्चर्ड थिंकिंग कैसे होती है? लाइक उनको कोई मोटर पार्ट डेवलप करना है या डिजाइन करना है. सो उस मोटर पार्ट को डिजाइन करने के लिए क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स की जरूरत है? स्टेप बाय स्टेप दे कंस्ट्रक्ट, कुछ बनाना है. देन इफ थिंग्स डोंट फॉल इन प्लेस दे deconstruct, उसको तोड़ते हैं. देन अगेन दे अंडरस्टैंड द स्मॉल लिटिल मिस्टेक्स, कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. देन दे रिकंस्ट्रक्ट इट. When they reconstruct it, they use their creativity into it, their uniqueness to build it. So this quality is an engineering mindset. Second quality, if we talk about that engineering mindset, is I believe it is about creative thinking. They are very creative in thinking. Now we see from where Maruti car was, and now we have Audi and Skoda and all these Jaguar and whatnot. So what is that creation from a small box to something which are like executive vans and the traveler buses? ये सब क्या है? It is a creativity. That same engine is being creatively developed to a next level, right?
That's true.
Again, there is the third quality, which is the third concept is logical thinking. Because when there is a logical thinking, there is problem solving in itself. कुछ चीज काम नहीं कर रही है, it is not workable. How can it become workable? What to add into it or remove from it is going towards a solution from a problem. So that concept is there. And fourth and most prominent is adapting to the situation, circumstances, and need of person, people, business. Like एक rough road है. If you're going for on a mountain terrain, तो आप अपनी जैगर या सेडान नहीं लेकर जाओगे. You will take something like four-wheel drive वाली vehicle लेकर जाओगे. So it is adapting to different situations of life. And if I am going on a long drive or something, so I will take that kind of a car which is just auto mode पे चल रही है and I am relaxing, right? So if you apply the same concept, now we reverse it, engineering mindset to mind engineering. Apply that concept into mind engineering. This equally applies in the same fashion on your life also. Your brain, your mind, and your life is a machine. इस machine को उस perfect तरीके से चलाने के लिए what you need is mind engineering, जहां इसके लिए जो concepts हैं, 4 concepts, जो beautiful concepts हैं of structured life, structured style of going ahead. Structured life of going ahead में if you take our life, it is about, जैसे हमने बोला, construct, deconstruct and reconstruct. अब उसको अगर जिंदगी पे लेंगे तो कैसे होगा? You have to learn, बचपन में जो सीखा, आगे चल के उनको अपने experiences से, okay, this is not required. नहीं, इसको हटा देते हैं. This habit is not helping us. You have to unlearn. And if you are adding something into it, you have to relearn it. So this is the structured way of your life. Then you have to also, problem solving is the key component. Logical thinking and being creative. कहीं फंस गए, अब यहाँ से कैसे निकला जाए? आपको क्लास अटेंड नहीं करनी है और आपको यहाँ से निकलना है. So what is it? Creative thinking comes into place. Otherwise मैं बिगाड़ नहीं रही हूँ. I am just giving how to be creative in your life. So there are different stages and phases where Now, you talk about this lockdown period. Everybody went through varied mental health problems and situations. So, what ultimately helped people is this mind engineering. These tools, these structured ways of four concepts and adapting to that situation. You knew you cannot go out. You knew you are homebound. So what you did, you adapted immediately. It took time. Definitely, we are not ready for change. So it takes time, but adapting to new situations is the whole concept of mind engineering. In short, अगर मैं mind engineering को बोलूं, तो it is how smoothly your life flows through the mountains, through the rivers, and through the plains of the life. This is mind engineering.
So it's really like a good, great concept. Seriously, पहली बार सुना मतलब mind engineering पहली बार सुना. It's really nice. So, ma'am, what are the key areas where mind engineering can help or can apply in our lives?
Every area. You just think about the concepts, how we हम किस तरीके से इसमें apply कर सकते हैं. The first and foremost thing is like Ghazal. I have in my entire period of this stretch of life, मैंने ये notice किया है किसी की भी लाइफ में अगर कोई भी सिचुएशन आती है जिसको हम प्रॉब्लम बोलते हैं या डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स बोलते हैं या स्ट्रेस बोलते हैं, it is about not being comfortable with what we have, where we are, or what we are going through, because we expect something else, we desire something else. वो नहीं हो पाता है. So maybe anything जो हमारे साथ हम चाहते हैं वो नहीं हो रहा है. So this mind engineering helps us in all those situations. Number first is what happens if you are unhappy, और या आप आपने जो सोचा है वो नहीं हो पा रहा है. सबसे पहले आपका प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है? Your emotional imbalance.
Yeah.
You face that emotional imbalance. You face that emotional fluctuation. So mind engineering first and foremost helps you in balancing your emotions. Second, I believe, and what I have undergone and experienced in my life, it helps, and it is the biggest tool which helps in your subconscious mind training. Like, you are always on a win-win situation if you have done this. Third is, in my understanding, distress management. It helps, it is a key tool in distress management. And fourth is managing, and this is the best one, managing the relationships. Any
Yeah.
relationship with yourself, first of all, relationship with your family members, parent and child, work life balance. This is also a relationship. And this is like any kind of relationship you can ever imagine. Your relationship with a universe, with nature, this helps to manage that. So these are the beautiful spaces where this mind engineering helps you. And if you work on that, beauty is in your hand.
Yeah. It's really beautiful. Also, ma'am, you spoke about emotions, and emotions is very important. वहाँ पे काम आ सकते हैं. So, in very simple words, how can you explain like what are emotions and how do we manage it?
How many times we use emotions in our daily life, Ghazal?
I think I'm all the time. Like
Every
really,
second word is emotions, right?
emotions. Yeah,
And when it comes to mental health, it is only emotions.
yeah,
Inability to handle those emotions, or inability to manage our emotions. Emotions के अलावा मुझे लगता है लाइफ में इफ यू मैनेज दिस वर्ड देयर इज नथिंग एल्स, और कोई जिंदगी से लड़ाई नहीं है इमोशंस के अलावा.
Very true.
सो व्हाट इज इमोशन? सिंपल. आपको किसी ने कुछ कह दिया जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा,
Hmm.
के बाद होता क्या है? यू
You
फील
feel
सैड, you feel vulnerable, and when you feel sad or you feel angry, and then there is something which happens, there is a chemical locha, there's a chemical locha that happens, and that chemical locha instantly gets on a physical kind of a facial expression.
Hmm.
If you're angry, hoga kya? Your lips will move, your body will shake, your blood and your heart palpitations बढ़ जाएगा,
Hmm.
and then it has a behavioral expression. आप
Yeah.
गुस्सा होंगे तो हर किसी का एक behavioral expression होता है कि what they will throw things, they will throw tantrums. मेरी आवाज ऊंची हो जाती है, like मेरी personal आवाज ऊंची हो जाएगी. We are no different. We are also
Hmm.
human beings. We are therapists, but we go through all this, everything in our life, right?
Yeah.
So, what ultimately is emotion? Emotion is the expression, our body expression. It is a psychological uh, thing, it is a psychological concept which happens, and due to that, अपन का एक physical reaction आ जाता है और अपन का एक expression हो जाता है उसको. स्टिमुली का रिएक्शन, उस स्टिमुली के रिएक्शन से आपकी बॉडी के चेंजेस, आपकी बॉडी के चेंजेस के बाद आपके बिहेवियर के चेंजेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड इमोशन. एंड इट इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन. ईच इमोशन हैज अ डेफिनेशन. आप इमेजिन, आप जब सोच के बताइए कि हाउ मेनी इमोशंस कैन बी देयर, एक अंदाज बताइए मुझे, जस्ट थिंक कितने इमोशंस हो सकते हैं, हाउ मेनी इमोशंस वी गो थ्रू ईच डे.
Personally, a lot of emotions, like it's uncountable. Or I think सबके साथ ही it's very same. Emotions, every second there is like one emotion hitting you.
Absolutely right. There are more than 300 emotions at
Yeah.
one time, and it is a combination of six major emotions, which has like there can be anger, sadness, happiness, disgust, surprise. These are few basic emotions जिनका combination बन के multiple emotions
Yeah.
बन जाता है. This is what is the खेल of emotions. So your entire life, your every decision, your to go ahead in your life, the focus, the goal, what you have to become in future, what you are thinking, your selection of your partner, everything is based on emotions. Trust me, there is
Yeah.
no other thing except emotions.
Very well said. Ma'am, where do all these emotions come from? कैसे manage करें हम इनको? Sometimes
घर
it's
के बाहर
very
से आते
it is, sometimes it's very difficult to control them.
Yes, that is what we have to deal and manage. जैसे आपने बोला कहाँ से आते हैं, मैंने कहा नहीं, घर के बाहर से आते हैं. इमोशंस हमारे नहीं होते हैं. बट द रियलिटी इज वी आर दिस ब्रेन इज द सेंटर ऑफ इमोशंस. सो ऑल दिस इमोशंस जो भी हैं आपके इमोशंस, दे हैव देयर हाउस एंड हब इन द लिम्बिक ब्रेन. नाउ इमेजिन, यहाँ पे मैं अगेन एक कार ड्राइवर का एग्जांपल आपको दूंगी. यहाँ पे न्यूरोसाइंस काम आती है, बट वी आर नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग द एंटायर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ब्रेन. ठीक है, यहाँ हमको कंफ्यूज नहीं करना है.
मैम सब
ये
छोड़ के भी चले जाएंगे.
मेरे को चक्कर आ जाएंगे. इट इज सच एन इंटेंस साइंस.
Yeah.
So just to explain little bit, emotions come from limbic brain. Limbic brain is the storehouse of all your emotions. So you can understand that there are two partners who are driving a car. Your life is that car, and there are two components who are driving, and they both are in a tussle with each other. Both of them want to drive the car. One is limbic brain, and the other is prefrontal cortex. Now, the limbic brain is the storehouse of all emotions, and the prefrontal cortex is where the logical thinking, the reasoning, the rational thinking comes from. So आप समझिए कि this limbic brain is the ancient brain, जो सबसे पहले बना. This is the ancient brain. यानी कि if your own personality is completely defined, your decisions are completely defined by first the limbic brain. जो आपका impulse होता है, जो intuitive feeling होती है, जो आप मॉल में जाते हैं और आप बोलते हैं I want to get into this store और मुझे ये चाहिए. What is that? Your choices, your preferences, your taste. It is ruled by limbic brain because that is the powerhouse of emotions. Now, after a moment, the another prefrontal cortex wala component tries to take over the steering wheel. कि अब बस हो गया तुम्हारा. This is where the rational thinking comes. कि then you go to the second aspect कि ले कि नहीं ले, कितनी एक्सपेंसिव है, छोड़ देते हैं, मेरे पास ऐसा कलर है. ये सारी चीजें कब आती है? When it comes to rational thinking. So emotions are all in your brain. And छोटा सा एक example दूंगी. It is not about judging people or judging anybody. It is just clearly identifying. If I say that I get agitated easily and I am impulsive or I'm very sensitive, I'm very emotional. If I use these words, or if there is an impulse and कुछ ही सेकंड में मेरे को ऐसे लगता है बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. What is that? That means your limbic brain is very much active. It is hyperactive. And we have to slow it down. This is what is the complete emotional this development and chemical development between the brain. तो हमें बहुत easy लगता है. किसी ने कुछ बोला और हमें गुस्सा आ गया. तो हम बोलते हैं यार उसकी personality ऐसी है, वो गुस्से वाली है. It is not like that. It is all what is happening in your brain. So that personal reality becomes your personality because of your brain and its functions. Right?
Very true. So, ma'am, earlier you spoke about subconscious mind training, and how and what are the hacks to do it?
Okay. So before getting into the subconscious mind training, we will because this will come a step after we have understood how to manage the emotions.
Yeah.
Greatly because the subconscious mind training itself involves training ourselves to manage the emotional part of our actions, the expression part of our life, how we express ourselves. So when I was explaining and I was talking about the limbic and the prefrontal cortex, उस साइंस को हटा देते हैं दूर. अब उस साइंस को हटा के प्रैक्टिकली मैं आपसे पूछूं, अगर in past, in these lockdown period, you must have also undergone certain ups and downs of your emotional life. So if you can share, कुछ ऐसा है जो आप बता सकते हैं what you had gone through on how, कुछ छोटा सा example so that it becomes easy for you to connect and relate with things.
So, when I actually lived in Malaysia, and then I had to suddenly come because of COVID. So, starting में तो it was nice, with being with family after so long. But then later, it somehow I sometimes I used to feel frustrated that I need time. I need some time. I was frustrated. I was getting angry all the time, and I was irritated all the time for like a month. So that, and especially when you can't go out with friends also, and you can't go to a movie, you can't do anything, just being at home, it was very frustrating. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I take up from your example. You said you were feeling very much frustrated. ठीक है?
Yeah.
This is
हाँ
an
जी,
emotion, right? So
हाँ जी.
first of all is working now how to manage and balance this.
Hmm.
Very first is identifying, being consciously aware of that emotion,
Hmm.
being very much consciously aware of that emotion, that yes, I am going through something. Yes, there is something which is, I'm not comfortable. Whenever there is an emotion which is a negative emotion, what it happens is you are not comfortable with certain things. Okay? Now, first is being consciously aware of that emotion. कि हाँ यार कुछ है. Then identifying that. The second step is identifying it and naming it. जैसे आपने बोला frustration.
Hmm.
So you have identified that emotion and you have given it a name. आपने एक उसको नाम
Hmm.
दिया. It can be anger, it can be sadness, it can be guilty,
Hmm.
whatever. उसको एक नाम दिया. Then reasoning.
Hmm.
आपने अभी रीजन खुद ही किया कि बिकॉज
Yeah.
आई वॉज अनेबल टू मीट फ्रेंड्स, आई
Hmm.
वॉज अनेबल टू गो आउट, यू वॉन्टेड मी टाइम एंड स्पेस.
Hmm.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
then you have to find out what is the reason behind this emotion. After
Hmm.
reasoning, there comes a space and time where you have to stop, you have to pause.
Hmm.
This is the time when there is an stimuli and the reaction to that emotion is expression of that emotion. इसके बीच में
Hmm.
गैप आता है. You get just 30 seconds. किसी ने आपको कुछ बोला या क्या, you get a 30 seconds time to pause and just be there and use these managing skills, which
Hmm.
we call mindful activities, meditation,
Hmm.
breathing exercises. ये जो चीजें हैं, they immediately help you. The pause helps you to
Hmm.
decide that you have to respond or you have to react.
Hmm.
So between an stimuli and your response, how much time you get? 30 seconds
But it's not.
approximately. And the signaling starts.
Hmm.
So after you have done this, you have managed to cope that situation. Next time when it will come, you will be more consciously aware of that,
Uh-huh.
right? So
Yeah.
पहले से आपको कम time लगेगा. So
Hmm.
this is how you manage those emotional levels. And after this, when we come to your question now, subconscious mind training. I hope I'm
Hmm.
not going very technical.
No, no, no. It's actually informative. People should know this.
Okay, so when you come to go to subconscious mind training, you just have to allow your subconscious mind is like a storehouse. आप एक
Hmm.
storehouse में जाइए and आपको जो चीजें नहीं चाहिए आपके घर के स्टोर रूम में आप रख देते हैं temporarily.
Yeah.
उस टेम्पररीली जब आप चीजों को रख देते हैं, आपको जब टाइम मिलता है तब आप उनको निकालते हैं. सो कॉन्शियस माइंड इज व्हाट इज यू आर कॉन्शियसली डूइंग समथिंग. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है जो आपके थॉट्स, बिलीव्स, बचपन की यादें, ऑल दोस थिंग्स दे आर केप्ट इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. सो
Okay.
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ट्रेनिंग हेल्प्स you to develop more awareness, to develop more resilience. और अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस करके अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को ट्रेन कर लिया, देन तो गजल, you are always winning the life like anything.
Yeah. It's very
So
true.
now you have to just see how to train the subconscious mind.
Hmm.
Subconscious mind can be trained with NLP techniques, with various therapeutic, like एक emotional technique आपको बताऊं. Suppose you are feeling a venting thing कि आपको
Hmm.
किसी को express करना है. You don't have any friends to talk. You don't
Hmm.
have anything. Write it on a paper. It needs just an
Hmm.
expression. कोई भी emotion आता है उसको एक expression चाहिए. अगर आपने
Hmm.
express नहीं किया तो वो suppress हो जाता है and it will show in some other behavior pattern.
Yeah.
You have to write it down. You just stare it, throw it in a dustbin. You just vent it out and it is over. it is over. So subconscious mind training, there are various tools and techniques. You can apply mindful techniques, meditative techniques, visualization, affirmations. All these are law of attraction. These are beautiful. We have entire episode in our this mental
Yeah.
health, which is on
Yeah.
subconscious mind training. So I will not enlarge on that, but it's a beautiful way to make
Yeah.
yourself happy person.
Yeah. It's very true. And also, ma'am, how do you explain our viewers the techniques and details of distress management that you spoke about?
Spoke about distress management. So stress, we understand, right? And when we say why I believe emotion and emotional management and mind engineering is important for first stress management.
Hmm.
When you are unable to manage stress from one level, वो एक distress में बन जाता है, डेवलप हो जाता है.
Hmm.
अब take an example. During lockdown, ये हुआ कि everything was on us, ठीक है?
Hmm.
We are so accustomed to maids, drivers and all of that. अचानक से एक change आया and जिसमें we were not having any house help या कुछ भी नहीं था,
Hmm.
ठीक
Hmm.
है? And children, they all were with us. So there was workload also. जिनके
Hmm.
सबके they are into coaching, schools जाते हैं. So there is a definite एक schedule बना रहता है. जब वो
Hmm.
schedule पूरा खराब हो गया and everything was on us, there was a certain level of stress,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
उस stress को अगर आपने right time पे handle नहीं किया, then it becomes distress. And in subconscious mind training, it is very sharply done that it is this distress management helps you to come out of that level. The very, very, very first step, what we can take in distress management is just resolve yourself. Here हमारे को माइंड ट्रेनिंग की कौन सी स्टेज काम आएगी? स्ट्रक्चरिंग.
Excellent.
जब हम लर्न, अनलर्न एंड रीलर्न कर रहे हैं, कंस्ट्रक्ट, डिकंस्ट्रक्ट और रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले वी हैव टू रिव्यू.
Hmm.
Review ourselves, review those actions, review those reactions, why it is happening,
Hmm.
what happened, how I reacted, how my mind reacted, how my
Hmm.
body reacted, how my physiology reacted.
Hmm.
Because whatever you think, you speak,
Yeah.
and then your behavior, and it becomes a pattern and it becomes your style.
Yeah.
सो जब हम इसको रिव्यू करते हैं बहुत माइन्यूटली, देन वी कम टू अ प्लेस जब हमारे को इसको स्टॉप करके रिलैक्स करना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
जब हमने इसको रिलैक्स किया, देन वी स्लो डाउन. We slow down with breathing. Any kind of mental health therapy is connecting us to our breath. क्योंकि
Yeah.
जिंदगी में आप जब पैदा हुए तो आपने सबसे पहले क्या किया? पहली बार आप जब रोए, चाहे मुंह से रोए चाहे कैसे, आपने एक डीप ब्रेथ ली. The
Yeah.
first thing which you connect with when you're born is that breath. So when we go back, we review, then we reflect, and then we just relax. Relax में आता है आपकी सारी mindful techniques, आपकी
Hmm.
सारी mind engineering, आपकी सारी subconscious mind training, ये यहाँ पे आती है. And इसके बाद when you reflect, you come to know, oh, I did this. Then you change yourself, your situation from not an effect but cause. क्योंकि अब तक आपको लग रहा था मेरे साथ ये हुआ इसीलिए मैंने ऐसा रिएक्ट किया.
Yeah.
Okay, he said something, that is why I reacted.
Hmm.
But when you slow down, तब आपको लगता है no man, it's okay. I was hyper reacting. This
Yeah.
happens only when you slow down. इससे पहले क्या होता है? We always are on the blaming aspect,
Hmm.
victimizing. इससे पहले हमेशा ये होता है. But when you work on your distress management and you sit down after reviewing, after reflecting, and after relaxing, then you reconnect. Now this is the fourth stage. When you reconnect with yourself,
Yeah.
reconnect with universe through meditation, reconnect with your spiritual gurus, reconnect with your counselors, your therapist. There is a whole world available. You just have to reconnect. इसमें you जब हम relax बोलते हैं ना, this period you can just take it as subjective. आपको drawing अच्छा लगता है, आपको music अच्छा लगता है, आपको
Hmm.
painting अच्छा लगता है. Connect with yourself in any way.
Yeah.
जब आप वो करते हैं, इसके बाद जब आप reconnect करते हैं, you realign with yourself. And this is the most beautiful stage of distress management. And this is what elevates you from that stage to this stage. And this is where you every day you work, and this is not a continuous process. ये नहीं कि आज
Hmm.
weekend पे करेंगे तो भाई आज नहीं पूरा अपन से.
हाँ.
You can. So whatever we are talking, Ghazal, it is every minute's work, each
Yeah.
day's. So you keep on practicing, you keep on doing it, you're consistent in that action, what you've decided.
Hmm.
And then you come to this realigning yourself within. And
Yeah.
that within, once you are realigned, the next time, ऐसा नहीं है stimuli नहीं आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है problem नहीं आएगा. But then you are little better off than before.
Yeah.
ऐसी सी आप स्वीट सी स्माइल लेकर और फिर निकलेंगे. ओ यस, मैंने
Yes.
पिछली बार सिचुएशन हैंडल की है. इट इज लाइक एक बार आप लेह लद्दाख जाके आते हैं एंड इनिशियली यू हैव दैट एप्रीहेंशन, कैसे जाएंगे, क्या
Hmm.
करेंगे, हाउ विल आई डू. इट इज विद मी. मैं
Hmm.
अभी तक नहीं जा पाई हूँ, दो आई एम अ वेरी एडवेंचरस पर्सन, बट मुझे ठंड से डर लगता है. आई फील लाइक सोचते थे मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ठंड लग गई. But I have seen people fight those
Yeah.
fears and winning over those fears, and then they are so geared up to again go to Leh Ladakh next year also. Then they are so happy क्योंकि एक बार कर लिया ना. So it is same with us also. Once we overcome that emotion, the next time, because it is life, it will again happen.
Yeah.
But we are a better person,
Yeah.
and we know how to face this challenge. So
Yeah.
this is how we go through the distress management, and these are the steps. You can
Yeah.
break them into chunks. Then you have to again reinvent yourself. When you review yourself, then you have to reinvent yourself, redo certain things, and align yourself to the beautiful new you.
I think that's a great point. I just connected personally. You said na technique कि आप लिखो, paint करो, कुछ करो. I was going through something in my life, and then suddenly I started writing. I didn't knew that I had that talent, and even my family didn't knew that I could write. And I started writing, and it actually made me a calmer person. Like whenever I was stressed, I used to write, and then I'm okay. Like I'm good to go. So it's really,
Oh,
really, really nice. Yeah.
beautiful. So, congratulations on
Yeah. Thank
finding
you.
a new person, a new ghazal in you, which
Yeah.
you introduce yourself with that
Yeah.
person for the first time.
Yeah. Hanji.
अपने आप से भी मुलाकात आपने की, जिस
Yeah.
गजल को आप नहीं जानते थे,
Yeah.
उस
That's
गजल
the
से
very
आपकी खुद
true.
की मुलाकात हुई.
Yeah.
This is most important. This is most important.
Yeah. So, ma'am, in the end, uh, how our brain can be trained to be happy and win over the marathon of life. The most important thing.
Yeah, life is a marathon. I know.
Yeah.
See the marathon.
Yeah.
See the marathon. Okay. So to sum up, Ghazal, I will just bring all the answers from the very first question to this question. If you club everything together, this is the answer to how to be happy.
Yeah.
And first and foremost is self love. If you don't love yourself, you're not filled within you.
Yeah.
You cannot be in any way be happy. With any situation, any circumstances, you'll be always a complaining person.
Mm.
So, first is self love before anything else.
Mm.
Just give enough time to yourself, give enough time to nurture your inner soul. Talk to yourself, sit with yourself.
Mm.
Just don't think anything. At times, just sit idle without any thinking, without any reading, without any painting. It is good to sit like that because that is the time you really connect with yourself. The very first thing I would want to add here is self love.
Mm.
And the most prominent is gratitude. In lockdown, we all have experienced this grace and goodness of gratitude. हर रोज हम टीवी पे देख रहे थे those people who are migrating, how they are migrating, how what is their situation. And today also we see so many people going through so many difficulties in hospitals and everything. रूह कांप गई है इसके बाद तो.
Yeah.
We don't have
Yeah.
words to like say anything or complain. मेरी डिक्शनरी से तो वो वर्ड ही चला गया है literally. I will never in my life say even a sea of any complaint. This has happened.
Yeah.
So first is gratitude. Be thankful for whatever we have, whatever we are blessed with. Find goodness in everything. And failures, we've heard that they are teachers. Failures are not failures, they are learning lessons. But do we take it really? Have we trained ourselves to face the failure? यार ये job नहीं मिली.
Mm.
So we are crying, we are cribbing. Have we trained ourselves for that? So that training, it's
Mm.
okay. It's okay. So if my son, he almost got a job in PwC, and then due to lockdown, he that job was called off. It was put
Mm.
on hold. Initially, for me also to tell you, there was a fluctuation in my mind.
Mm.
But it takes few seconds, as I said, to just change that channel. नहीं
Mm.
होता रेडियो का channel change कर दिया
Yeah.
93 से 97 कर दिया. That happened, and I just told myself कि क्या हुआ? I will. It is just like एक साल बाद पैदा हुआ था. शायद ठीक से
Wow.
बोलना नहीं सीखा था तो एक साल बाद स्कूल में डाला था, एक साल बाद
Yeah.
ग्रेजुएट हुआ, या एक साल सिर्फ मैंने उसके साथ एंजॉय किया. That is what happened. So you will get after some time. So that is what we have to have, that adaptability. And a word which I will give as a last takeaway: flexi. If you become flexi,
Yeah.
just flexi, how we twist and turn and tweak while we are dancing and while we are doing yoga. So these are all flexi techniques. When you become
Mm.
that flexi person, every person should add that flexi puja, flexi ghazal, flexi this. So every time we have that flexi word coming around us, and this is the maha mantra to win over the
Actually,
marathon of life. And again,
very,
as I say, it is not how many times you fall, it is how
mm,
many times, how strongly you rise after every fall, ghazal.
very true, ma'am. Very true. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us this informative session. It was really great, and I think it is one of my favorites. To be very honest, इतना कुछ in such a fun way, सब कुछ समझ में आ गया दिमाग के बारे में. 7 महीने से जो psychology नहीं पढ़ी थी, सब वापस याद आ गई.
Oh
So
my
thank you
God.
so
It's so
much.
sweet of you, Ghazal. It's so sweet. And thank you so much for
Thank
just
you so much,
patiently
ma'am.
listening all the gyan, bhan, and everything. And hope keep mentally healthy, wealthy,
Yeah.
and just be happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You too,
Thank
please
you
take
so
care.
much. Thank you
And
so much to the
I'm
team,
just gonna
Atman, Satya, and Manthan.
Okay, so coming up next is Sameer and Dr. Dipti. So let them join and then we'll leave.